The Resurgam Trust was appointed as the development partner with Lisburn Castlereagh Council. We then went into an internal consultation to see what would be best suited for a building, a school, a Grade B listed building. And out of that consultation, we came to the idea of a new social enterprise daycare. The daycare will have places for around 52 children. And we thought that that was very, very fitting, taking it back to the educational setting. The tea rooms, it could have just as easily been a coffee shop, but again, through consultation with the wider community, we wanted something different. We wanted to brand something different, and we've brought in the tea rooms at Hilden Mill. So we're going to create 20 to 25 jobs here in the Hilden community. So that's the added benefit to what we've done as part of this journey with the Resurgam Trust. And I suppose the other unique selling point for me, and the exciting bit that everybody comes into the building sees, is that partnership with Lisburn Museum, bringing back the history and some of the decor on the walls, bringing back the school from 50, 100 years ago. It's just absolutely fantastic, and it's been an absolute delight to get to meet and become friends with former pupils of the school, teachers of the school, board of governors of the school, some who are very, very emotional now about the whole finish of the school and where we have got to. I'm absolutely delighted that working in partnership with the council, that we've been able to achieve what we actually have achieved on behalf of the Hilden community.
I'm absolutely beside myself. I can't believe the transformation. Every minute detail has been kept, and I've watched some people coming in and their reactions. Everybody is delighted, and just grasping that piece of history. It's a privilege to be a small part of that. The local community down here, I know quite a few the community, they love it, and everybody has a story, whether it's they went to the school, went to the mill, from young people in the youth clubs, right through to the older folk in the likes of the main shade are very, very proud that this has been done.
In all of my 25 years plus working in the community, this has probably been the project, and we've delivered many projects, but this has been the project that has generated the most interest right across everything that we have done. It's exciting, and we're really looking forward to getting it open to the public and letting the community come in and see what has been achieved.